The Rex is more than just an old theater, and that's why bringing it back to life means more than just the fact that the pigeons hanging out above the marquee will have to find new digs. The old theater is, I think, a piece of moving the Renaissance of Palafox Street north of Garden. If the Rex can be brought back to her feet, it might be taken as a sign that the future of our downtown lies in more than bars and restaurants. Not that there's anything wrong with bars and restaurants. The entertainment district that is burgeoning south of Garden Street is bringing foot traffic and dollar flow that was literally unthinkable when Palafox was a wasteland most weekend nights just a few years ago. But a great street is more than that, and a great downtown is more than one street. A great downtown has a mix of types of retail and commercial businesses. It's walkable, clean, well-lit, and safe. It has a mix of residences from homes to condos to apartments and lofts so that people of different stripes can mingle together. It is a gathering place for big events and should reflect the soul of its community. Palafox needs to be more than south of Garden Street because Palafox, and by extension Pensacola, needs to be more than a place for just a good time. Turning Palafox south of Garden into a great American street has been an awesome accomplishment. It proves that a city our size can revitalize itself with a mix of public will, private entrepreneurship, and focused planning. Taking that spirit a little farther up the street would be a sign that we are good for more than just a good time. It would be a sign that a little city that could actually can. Thanks for joining us. Please be sure to check us out online at progresspromise.com, on our Facebook page, and follow us on Twitter at OurProgressNow. We'll see you next time.